ingredients. Pure craft. Pure genius. Pure enjoyment. BrewArt, the world's first fully automated personal brewing system.
Doll. Relax your environment and amplify the ambience of your home through directed sound and light. Mount on the ceiling or use as a floor lamp. Use your phone as a dimmer to control the ambience of the room and illuminate your home. Create the perfect environment for a movie. Adjust dowel with a remote if needed. Set an alarm on dowel. To wake up and greet the morning with relaxing music of your choice. Bathe in dowel's sound shower to achieve maximum relaxation. Dowel's design is perfect for any home decor. Practical elegance. Doll.
chose the name Dirigo because it's the state motto of Maine. In Latin, it means I lead, which is something we at Hyperlight Mountain Gear strive to do with every product that we make. The cool thing about having worked with this material for a long time now is understanding like which materials, are best in what applications. We use 5 different types of Dyneema products in this tent. We found, what works best for a floor, what you need on the outside. We've also, in this tent, used a couple of panels of a breathable Dyneema fabric. You have that at your head and your foot when you're in the tent to try and help with venting and combat condensation, basically. We learned a lot through the process of making this tent about triangles. Triangle is the strongest geometric shape, it distributes the force and tension evenly through all points. And when you look at the Dirigo too, you're gonna see that everywhere. And not only does it look cool, but it's really adding a lot of strength and stability throughout the thing too. We knew putting our 2 poles on the sides, we needed something connecting those 2 on the top of the tent to make it super strong. So we decided to use carbon fiber. Whether you're using trekking poles or adjustable poles or paddles or anything, go into these 2 reinforced cups. So it sort of, connects everything together, and it's just super strong. I mean, it's gonna hold up. You can grab it and shake it and the thing's not going anywhere. My goal is to always keep, our designs like as simple as possible. So giving our users exactly what they need and nothing more. With the Dirigo 2 was no different. We got it to where we wanted it to be, and then literally took every little piece that went into the tent and weighed it. Maybe we could shed a few grams if we changed this here, but we're never gonna do it and sacrifice the durability or the usability of the product. The result is a 28-ounce, 2-person shelter that incorporates the rainfly, mesh, and the bathtub floor in one badass integrated structure.